Good morning, all of you. Trial run under the Ganges Metro in West Bengal on 12th April 2023. Trial run under the Ganges. Then many happy returns of the day. May God bless India for the trial run of Metro under the Hooghly River. Happy birthday of trial Metro in West Bengal. Then, happy birthday, may all dreams come true on this special day, 12th April 2023, Thursday, trial day of Metro under the Ganges. Enjoy the special day for trial run of Metro under the Ganges, Hooghly River on 12th April 2023.
बीच में हाँ यही रहे हम लोग जो है उधर सामने क्रॉसिंग है एकदम सिद्धू सामने क्रॉसिंग है आप सलाम करके रखा है और देख के सामने पॉइंट
Now we are crossing 14 by 80.
So today we have done the historic movement. I mean, the first time the train has moved below the Hooghly River, deepest station at 33 meters of depth. It's the first of its kind in India, and also the first of its kind beneath the river that we have laid the line. And this is a historic moment for the city of Calcutta. Also, the trials will be started off, so it will take about 7 months to complete the trials and the safety certificate, and then after that we will be able to start the regular services.
It is the grand success of India, the Metro Rail, and congratulations the team of Metro Technology. One passenger. Good night. Bye. Jai Bharat. Good night. Bye. Jai Bharat. Please watch the video. If you like, share, comment, subscribe. Kajol Pal channels. Thank you. Good night.